Hi friends, welcome to Data Science and AI Quest. In this post, we would be looking at an example or a question over which we will be calculating a range and a quartile division over a sample data. So in this data set, we have been provided data like 20, 25, 29, 30, 35, 39, 41, 48, 51, 60 and 7. So over this data set, we need to find out the range and quartile division of the observations. So the data that has been provided is in this format, and the range needs to be calculated. Over this data set, we need to calculate the range. So you can see the highest element is 70 in this sample data and the lowest element is 20. Therefore the range is the highest element minus the lowest element, that is 70 minus 20, which comes around to be 50. Next, for the quartile deviation, one needs to find out Q1 and Q3 values which are needed for quartile deviation over the sample data set. So first, looking at the Q1 values, Q1 would require n plus 1 by 4, n plus 1 by 4 value, that is as n is equal to 10, the Q1 would happen to be the 2.75th observation. Okay, 2.75 number observation. So this happens to be. So how to calculate this one? So you would take the second element plus 0.75 multiplied by the subtraction of third minus the second observations. So over here the second observation is 25, and 0.75 when multiplied to the third minus the second observation, which comes to be 29 minus 25. So 0.75 is multiplied to that, and the answer is 28. So moving to the third quartile range, interquartile range. So Q3 can be calculated in the following way: 3 multiplied by n plus 1 by 4. This observation, this value gives the value of the interquartile range 3, IQ 3. So as in this total data set, we have 10 number of elements. You can see that the 33 by 4 means after evaluating, after putting the value of n equal to 10, we get it as 33 by 4, which comes to be 8.25. So the 8.25th observation approx is the value of the third interquartile range. So how to calculate this one? This would be the 8th observation plus the 0.25 multiplied by the 9th minus the 8th observation. So the 9th observation is 60 and the 8th observation is 51. So you get to see that the 8th observation is 51 plus 2.25. Okay, so the entire Q3 answer that we got is 53.25. Then we get the quartile deviation of Q3 and Q1. So the quartile deviation of Q3 and Q1 can be obtained by the subtraction of Q3 minus Q1 and divided by 2, the average of Q3 minus Q1 by 2. Okay, so Q3 we got as 53.5 and Q1 answer was got as 28. So subtracting 28 from 53.25, we get the answer as 25.5, and this divided by 2, you get it as 12.75. So one can get to see that the average distance between the Q3 and Q1 is coming around to be 12.75. So adding so this comes around to be the position 40.75 over the number line between all the shorted or the arranged data could be seen as the median value of the Q3 minus Q1 average difference. Okay, so one needs to note that QD, that is the quartile deviation, is the average difference of quartiles from the median. So if we compute the median is getting to be 40, and the interquartile range average is coming to be 40.75. so the interquartile range median and the median of the entire dataset is approximately very close to each other. So it can be also said that the interquartile range median is approximately same as the median of the given dataset. So thanks. So this is all for the post till now, and we'll be back with more topics like this over statistics, mathematics, data science, and AI. So thanks again for watching Data Science and AI Quest. Keep tuned. Thank you.